So, what are the best penny stocks to buy on January 23rd, 2025? Well, number one recommendation is Snow Lake Resources. Stock symbol LITM. It is up today 24% or 32 cents, trading at $1.64. Since this morning, it already traded 17 million shares. Market cap of the company, though, is roughly $150 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, first of all, by looking at the stock symbol LITM, I think it kind of spells lithium. So this is the mineral that's being used in electric batteries of electric cars. So for a long time, last, I would say 6 months, it was not really going anywhere. In fact, it was kind of collapsing all the way from like 50 cents to like 20 cents. And nobody was trading it, nothing was happening. However, something happened on December 18th of last year when we had the first major spike, when the stock started to trade over 100 million shares and actually jumped from 20 cents all the way to 90 cents, or kind of like 4 times. However, it couldn't sustain itself there, or maybe the news they released were kind of short-lived. However, a next spike came very quickly, and then the stock went from 60 cents all the way to $1.80, so it went like 3 times. Then again, it couldn't sustain itself and kind of went down to around 70 cents, and now we have another major jump. So it looks like this company is on track of developing whatever resources they are looking for, like lithium, and it might be the case where the stock just started to grow, but because it's built very bullish trend. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there, and maybe put some money into it. So Snow Lake Resources, stock symbol LITM, only $1.64 a share. Next one is Kopin Corporation, stock symbol KOPN. It is up today 22% or 32 cents, trading at $1.80. Since this morning, it already traded 65 million shares. Market cap of the company, though, is $275 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Again, for a long time, the stock was basically hovering around $1, going a little bit up, a little bit down, but nobody was trading it, nobody paid attention, so it was kind of like, almost like an unknown stock. However, starting in November of last year, it started to produce very nice growth, but it was kind of growing under the radar because there was not a lot of shares being traded. But nevertheless, the stock went from like 80 cents to $1.60 in the course of 4 months. So it established very bullish trend. However, it had some trouble about a month ago when it started to decline from $1.60 back to $1. But again, some kind of news started to arrive to that stock in the last couple of days, and it's growing again. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what's pushing that stock, because it looks like it's kind of consistent, and the more people find out about the stock and see that it jumped from 50 cents to $1.72 right now in a matter of few months, I mean, it kind of attracts the attention. So who knows how high the stock is going to go, but if I were you, I would take a look and maybe put some money into it. So Kopin Corporation, stock symbol KOPN, only $1.72 a share. Next one is Ainos Incorporated, stock symbol AIMD. It is up today 18% or 13 cents, trading at 86 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 970,000 shares only, not that many. Market cap of the company, though, is about $12 million. So this is kind of an interesting stock. I suspect that this is an artificial intelligence play. meaning that, you know, they use AI technology for their business, because I could see it in their name called AINOS, AINOS, and like Your Highness, but AINOS. And also, if you look at the stock symbol AIMD, I think what they're trying to communicate is that they are an AI player in medical field or in medical sector. But who knows? I mean, I'm just guessing. So if I were you, I would definitely just take a look and see what they actually do and what kind of news are pushing it. But the main thing is, for the last 6 months, it was hovering around 50 cents, not going much anywhere. But something started to happen back in January 3rd. Basically, as soon as the new year started, they had a major jump from 50 cents to like 90 cents. And then after that, it started to become choppy. It was going up, down by, you know, 30-40% a day. So, but I guess the latest move of, you know, jumping 18% in price kind of tells you that the stock is trying to break through the resistance level at the top of the chart and kind of go beyond $1. So we'll see how far it will go, but it could be very promising. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there. So AINOS Inc., stock symbol AIMD, only 86 cents a share. Next one is, oh, that's interesting, Greenland Technologies Holding Corporation. So stock symbol GTEC. It is up today 18% or 44 cents, trading at $2.86 a share. Since this morning, it already traded only 402,000 shares. Market cap of the company, though, is roughly $38 million. So when I see the word Greenland, I mean, we know about this saga that's going on right now where Trump wants to buy Greenland from Denmark, I think. Maybe this is something somehow connected to this recent development. So, but the main thing is that for a long time the stock was trading around $1.80, going up a little bit, going down, but not much action. But in the last, I would say, 2 weeks, the stock established a very bullish trend when it went from $1.80 to $2.80. And there was not a lot of volume, but it was a huge growth for the stock. Maybe there's an anticipation of Greenland becoming America, or being purchased by America, or being annexed by America. Who knows, right? But it is an interesting place. So if I were you, I would take a look at this Greenland stock and see what's going on there, because it has the word Greenland, it has technologies, there's a holding, so maybe it's some kind of like, you know, collection of different businesses inside, based in Greenland. Who knows? But take a look. It could be pretty interesting and maybe pretty profitable. So Greenland Technologies Holding Corporation, stock symbol GTEC, only $2.84 a share. Next one is Renovaro Inc., stock symbol RENB. It is up today 20% or 16 cents, trading at 96 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 1.4 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $152 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, based on the name, nothing. But the stock used to trade at around like 50 cents for the last 4 months. And when I say trade, it was lightly trading. However, something happened on December 4th of last year, and the stock produced a monster growth when it went from like 50 cents all the way to like almost $2. So then it couldn't sustain itself at $2 and collapsed back to like 60 cents. And now it's trying to stage a comeback when it's going back from 60 cents to like almost $1 right now. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there. Maybe put some money into it, because you're still buying it at kind of 6-month low. So Renovaro Inc., stock symbol RENB, 96 cents a share.